Okay, a very good afternoon for all. My name is Alexis Fernando Canamboy. I am a student of a University Corporation of Caribbean, SECAR, a virtual modality. And this job is a blog I realized it in PowerPoint, a presentation PowerPoint. And we are going to film a short history. It's a fable called the Head and Turtle. I decided to release it to history, and I am not decided write to paragraph. Okay, this is the blog. Alexis Fernando Economy Bravo, Corporación Universitaria del Caribe, English Phonetic, San Paulo Nariño, 22 this year. Let's go. The Hare and the Turtle. In the world of the animals, there was a very arrogant hare. Because she said to everyone she was the fastest. She was the fastest. That's why she was always laughing at the slow turtle. Look at the turtle! Look at the turtle! Hey turtle! Hey turtle! Don't draw so much that you are going to get tired of going so fast. The hare used to say laughing of the turtle. One day they were talking and it occurred to the turtle to make a strange bet with the hare. I'm sorry I can't win your race, she said. To me? asked the hare astonished. Yes, to you. Let's put our bet on that. Stone and let's see who wins the race. The hare, very much accepted. All the animals need to watch the race. The road and the finish line were marked. Once it was ready, the race started, among wide applause. Once it was ready, the race started, among big applauses. Running on her speed, the hare let the turtle go and she remained laughing about. She had time now to win such a slow creature. Then she started running. She ran fast as the wind was. The turtle went slow but without stopping, and at once she went ahead. She stopped next to the road and she raced. When the turtle passed by, when the turtle passed by her side, the hare made fun of her once more. She left her advantage and set out her kick walk. She did the same several times, but in spite of her marks, the turtle kept her way until she arrived to the finishing line. When the hare woke up, she ran with all her might, but it was too late. The turtle had won the race. That day was very sad for the hare, and she learned a lesson she would never forget. You must never mock of the others. This fable was taken off this page, an adaptation for this job. This is all, my friends. Thank you very much. See you later.